This morning, a massive cleanup underway after historic blizzard blasted the Northeast.
Oh, it's getting strong here.
More than 2 feet of snow blanketing parts of 5 states, toppling trees, and wind gusts up to 80 miles an hour, leaving nearly 400,000 homes in the dark this morning from Virginia to Massachusetts. This tree causing sparks to fly when it hit a power line.
Restoration crews are staged across the state.
The wintry mess creating treacherous travel conditions. Drivers forced to push and pull cars stuck in snow. Even emergency vehicles and snowplows struggling to navigate the roads. Residents in Providence, Rhode Island now digging out from the most snow the city has ever seen, more than 3 feet. Ice slip on New York's Long Island also getting hit with a record, nearly 30 inches of snow. Small mom and pops like Chatham Jewelers east of Cape Cod forced to close for days.
Just the general lack of safety right now is concerning, and this is definitely the most impactful event we've had in a while.
In New York City, buried by nearly 20 inches of snow, schools reopening today after a rare snow day for the city's more than 1 million students.
And you can't beat it, right? There's no traffic, so everything is quiet. So it's like you're walking inside a snow globe.
And those New York City schools open today against the wishes of more than 150,000 people who signed a petition calling for remote learning today. Still across the region, a lot of school districts are closed for a second day in a row, including in Boston and Providence, here in Freehold, New Jersey, all with the threat of more snow looming, guys.
All right. Emilie, Ikeda, you be safe getting down from there, okay? Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.